Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put negative s go to the right. We have first derivative of y and original of y. So this is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that next to y that is about positive number 1. So I will put this one gone here. And we have e to the power of s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one in here, we have y e to the power of s. About this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides and we have like this, dv that is about e to the power over of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s ds. And now we have like this. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.